Welcome to AbstractPress. In this video, I will show you how to remove a page from a Word doc or how to remove pages from a Word document. So, if it is a blank page like this, come over to the page before that, place cursor at the end of the page and press Delete key from keyboard few times. You can also go to the page next to the blank page, place cursor at the start of text and press backspace key from keyboard. It will remove the blank page from Word document. If the page you want to delete has text, then you'll have to remove the text from it. To do that, select the text from that page and press Delete or backspace key from keyboard, and the page will be removed. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.